This looks like a professional studio product shoot, but I created this with AI in minutes. No photographer, no studio, no expensive setup. If you sell anything online, this tool can completely upgrade your product photos. Let me show you how I did this using Pomelli AI.
First thing is to go to Pomelli AI and log into your account. So you can search Pomelli AI on your browser. You can sign up or sign in. So when you're signed in, it brings you this interface and you can click on Let's Go. Next thing is to add your website link. Now paste your website link. Pomelli will automatically extract your brand colors, logo and style so the image matches your brand. This might take a while because Pomelli AI is trying to analyze your website. It's trying to determine your visual aesthetics, picking brand fonts, pulling images from your website, summarizing your business, and even finding your logo. So it's doing a lot of work in the background, so this might take a while. So you have to be patient at this stage. So when this is done, you can see it's done already. You click on looks good. So on the sidebar here, we see the options to either click on the business DNA, to click on the campaigns or the photo shoot. So I'm going to be clicking on the photo shoot because this is where Pomelli generates your campaign images. So when we click on photo shoot, we have the option to either create a product photo shoot, that is, choose a product image and template to get professional shots, or generate or edit an image. Describe the image you want with a prompt, or edit an existing one. So I'm going to be creating a product photo shoot using an image I already have. So I'm going to be clicking on this. Next step now is to select image. So I have the option to either upload images or click on any of the images that Pomelli AI generated from the website that I inputted in it earlier. Okay, so I'm just going to find one image that captures most of the things that the company does. Every image is nice. I'm just going to choose one. I'm just going to choose one random one. Let's choose this. Looks good. Okay, so we have to choose a photo shoot template. That is how we want our picture to look like in the end. So I prefer this. Okay, let's find something contextual ingredients. Okay, looks good. We have the option of the story here to click at 9:16. I'll be choosing with aspect ratio 9:16 because of my audience. I want to use this for Instagram or TikTok posts, so I'll be using aspect ratio 9:16. So the next thing here now is to create photo shoots. So when you click generate, Pomelli will create professional marketing images using your product and brand style. Okay, so Pomelli AI has generated the image from the product image that we chose, and we can see that this is looking more pleasing to the eyes than that one. So what we do next now is we can download all you can download. Next thing now is to download. Finally, you click download and your professional product image is ready. And just like that, you can create studio quality product photos in minutes without hiring a designer. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more AI tools like this.